my name is Gisela and today we are going to talk about the ordinal numbers. I would like to thank Javier Vidales from Mexico because he suggested this topic. Alright, before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to your channel Inglés para tu Vida. It's absolutely free. And don't forget to share this video with all the people who want to learn English. First of all, I want to show you ordinal numbers. Great! So, what are ordinal numbers used for? Let's see. When we talk about dates, we use ordinal numbers, right? For example, if I say, what day is it today? Today's Wednesday, the 8th, right? So I can say Wednesday 8th, or I can say Wednesday the 8th, right? Also, if I'm mentioning the order, I can say the first, the second. When I talk about experiences, if I'm talking about experiences, for example, this is the second time I travel by plane, right? So here I have the second. In numbers, the second. It can be the second, the third, the fourth, etc. Right? So, what about if we start with the ordinal numbers in a second? Alright, so we have the first, and I recommend you to repeat with me the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, 17th, the 18th, the 19th, the 20th, the 21st, the 22nd, the 23rd, the 24th, the 25th, the 26th, the 27th, the 28th, the 29th, the 30th, the 31st. Great! Very good. So, when we are going to talk about dates, for example, if I say, when's Halloween? You can say, it's on October the 31st. Alright? Now, remember that this part is optional, right? You can say it's on October 31st. If I say, when's Christmas, you can say, it's on December the 25th, right? And again, remember, the is optional, right? So, I'll be back in a minute. As I said at the beginning of the lesson, we use ordinal numbers for different situations. What What's the difference between the different channels in YouTube and my channel Inglés para tu Vida? Well, the difference is that I directly interact with students or learners. So, I'm going to put here a list of important dates and non-important dates. And what I want you to do is to send me a voice message to my personal number. So, you are going to record your voice and you are going to read these important and unimportant dates, sending me a voice message. In that way, we are going to interact directly and you are going to check if your pronunciation is correct. Alright? So, this is your exercise and this is my gift for you. The idea of my channel is that we directly interact every day. I have a reduced WhatsApp club in which all the members practice English every day. The idea is to combine my videos and also the application, WhatsApp application. So in that way we can interact. So what about if you try practicing these words, sending me a voice message, and in that way you are going to learn and apply the use of the ordinal numbers. Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel Inglés para tu Vida. It's absolutely free. Share this video because I really want this community grows a lot this year. Have a beautiful day. Bye.